Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,764. The saloon balcony, tough to climb without fresh cowboys. Value area low, VAL, 6,715. The dusty main street where deputies regroup. Point of control, POC, 6746. The town square where most haggling happened. Support zone, 671, 3 to 6718. Hitching post near VAL. Resistance zone, 6762 to 6768. The ridgeline just above the town, single Prince escape path. Lower 6,690 to 6,692. The back alley gate. Fast moves can't sprint here. Upper 6,763 to 6,764. A narrow boardwalk plank. Quick breakouts can gallop. Market context. 3-day ride across the prairie. November 12th, POC 6876, VA L 6858, VA H 6900, value perched on a high mesa. November 13th, POC 6771, VA L 6757, VA H 6891, value rode lower to a mid-ridge. November 14th, POC 6746, VAL 6715, VA 6764. Value slid again to low foothills. Value has drifted down for 2 sessions, turning a victory parade into a controlled cattle drive. Today balanced between 6,715 and 6,764, with sellers testing the town limits. Acceptance below V. AL opens the alley toward 6,690 to 6,692, while reclaiming above POC puts the balcony back in sight. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD, 747 contracts. Intraday peak buying, CVD, 3,903. Intraday low, CVD, negative 18,964. Current, CVD, negative 15,890. Interpretation. Sell-side outlaws ran the late session. Any push through VAH needs fresh posse energy. If CVD cannot climb towards zero on test of POC, fade the tired rallies. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry, 6,713 to 6,718 near VAL support. Invalidation, below 6,689. Profit targets, first 6,746 at POC, then 6,764 at VAH. Notes, if CVD turns upward into the bounce, trail under the last defended swing. Short trades. Entry, 6,762 to 6,768 on rejection near VAH, or failure back under 6,746 after a quick poke. Invalidation, above 6,770. Profit targets, first 6,746 at POC, then 6,715 at VAL, stretch to 6,692 if the alley gives way. Position sizing. Risk 1 to 2% per idea, size by stop distance. Take partial at first target, move to break even, then trail behind fresh lower highs or above fresh higher lows accordingly. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. If price establishes above 6,764 with CVD climbing towards zero, enter long on a pullback to 6,762 to 6,764. Stop 6,754. Targets 6,775, then 6,790 for continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. First test fails between 6,762 and 6,768 while CVD stalls. Entry, short on the rejection wick. Stop, 6,770. Targets, 6,746, then 6,715. Scenario C, failure at VAL. Clean break below 6,715 with weak bounces and CVD printing fresh lows. Entry, short 6,712 to 6,715 on retest from below. Stop, 6,722. Targets, 6,698, then 6,692. Scenario D, value bounce, dip into 6,713 to 6,718. Finds firm bids and CVD turns upward. Entry, long 6,715. Stop, 6,706. Targets, 6,746, then 6,764. Keep a runner if acceptance above VAH appears. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.